Alright y'all, today we're just going to be hitting up one of my favorite local creeks. Weather's kind of nasty today, but it's pretty warm with a high of about like 40 up here. It's kind of snowing, kind of raining. We'll see what happens.
It's not just making top.
Alright, so we're going to end up doing this a little bit differently today, because I mean the place I would normally park, it's just full of snow, and I almost got stuck twice. So what we're going to do, I parked a lot higher up, so we're just going to walk down to the water, and then end up fishing back up to the truck. So since I'm an idiot, I left my boots in the back of my truck forever. They're frozen solid. I'm going to throw them back in there for like 10 minutes or so. Hopefully they thaw out. Definitely would have dressed better if I knew it was going to snow like this. I'm already soaked. There's a fish. It's a nice fish too. Really nice. Woo, baby. This thing's fighting so hard. It's a really quality fish for this creek. Not gonna complain about that. Not at all. Well, that is exactly what we came for. Just a beautiful fish. Ooh. Let this guy go. There's one. It's not big though. That did not take long though. I mean, it practically hit the water. Instantly had one. Alright. Pretty little guy. He got my bugs real stuck in my net. Alright. Alright, chill out, buddy. Chill out. I totally walked up on him and blew it. Man, they're stacked up right here. One of them was really good and one of them was huge. Like huge. Definitely over 20. Which is pretty crazy for this creek. Which is kind of why I think it's that same one I caught at the start of the year. Jeez. They're so stacked up right here. These ones are like all stalkers though. Oh, this guy just hog-tied himself. Buddy ate it in the mouth, came unhooked, and got hooked in the tail. That I have never seen. A real wild fish. Enough for the stalkers. That one. There's a wild fish. Jeez, they're so stacked up right here. It's crazy. These stalkers are so ugly. So ugly. It's so weird too, like we're not even near a bridge, so it's not like they just got dumped in just now. Well, that's another wild fish. Yo! That was sick. These things jump so high. Alright, chill out, buddy. Got a really pretty lateral stripe. That's a perfect fish. There we go. That guy fought pretty hard for a stalker. Whoa, nice fish. Oh. That fish just bumped my indicator again. Just eat the flies, come on. Nope. That was way more aggressive than it needed to be. This fish has eaten my indicator twice and hasn't even looked at my flies. Whoa, nice fish. There are so many fish right here that I'm just spooking with every step. I think they're all stalkers though. So I don't really care, to be honest. There's so many right there, I can see them all. Just sit there and pick them off. It's like 10 or 15 of them just sitting on like a sandy flat. So, I think I'm gonna call it. I might go elsewhere, go fish streamers, look for a big brown. But honestly, right now I'm soaking wet, so I'm not gonna do much of anything. Except go warm up.